Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Is everything okay?
I think there is a small problem.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I order a cheeseburger, but this is a chicken burger.
Oh, no. I am very sorry about that.
It's okay. These things happen.
Thank you for understanding. Let me check your order. Yes, I see it here.
You order a cheeseburger with fries?
Yes, that's right.
And you say no onions, correct?
Yes, no onions, please.
I write that down. I'm sorry for the mistake.
No problem.
I will fix this right away.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
How long will it take?
Just 5 minutes. The kitchen is very fast.
Okay, that sounds good.
Can I bring you something to drink while you wait?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
Can I have a cola, please?
Of course. With ice? Yes, please. Lots of ice.
No problem at all. And again, I am very sorry for the mistake.
It's really okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
You are a very kind customer.
Thank you.
I want to say sorry again. How about a free slice of apple pie for dessert?
Really? That is very kind of you.
It's the least I can do. Thank you so much.
I will be right back with your drink and your food.
5 minutes later. Here you are, sir. 1 cheeseburger with fries, no onions.
This looks perfect.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you for fixing it so quickly.
My pleasure. Is there anything else I can get for you?
No, this is great.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
And enjoy your apple pie later.
I will. Thanks again.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hello, I want 1 coffee, please.
Sure, what size would you like?
Sorry, what sizes do you have?
We have small, medium, and large.
Okay, medium, please.
Great choice. Would you like room for milk?
Room for milk? I don't understand.
Oh, sorry. It means space in the cup for milk or cream.
Ah, I understand now. Yes, please, room for milk.
No problem. What kind of milk would you like?
What kinds do you have?
We have regular milk, almond milk, oat milk, and soy milk.
Oh, wow, so many choices. What is oat milk?
Oat milk is made from oats. Many people like it.
Is it good in coffee?
Yes, it's very popular.
Okay, I will try oat milk, please.
Good choice. So that is 1 medium coffee with room for oat milk.
Yes, that's right.
Would you like anything else today?
Yes, what is that over there?
Where?
In the glass case.
Those are muffins.
Muffins?
Yes, we have blueberry, chocolate chip, and banana nut.
Banana nut. What is that?
It's a muffin with banana and nuts. It's sweet and very tasty.
That sounds good. I will take 1 banana nut muffin, please.
Perfect. So 1 medium coffee with oat milk and 1 banana nut muffin.
Yes.
Your total is $8.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Can I have a name for the order?
My name is Carlos.
Thank you, Carlos. I'll call your name when it's ready.
Thank you for your help. My English is not very good.
Your English is good, and I'm happy to help. You are very kind.
You're welcome. Please wait right here.
Good evening. Welcome.
Good evening. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Welcome. How can I help you?
Everything looks very nice, but I don't know what to order.
That's okay. I'm happy to help.
Thank you. Do you like fish?
Yes, I like fish.
Do you like vegetables too?
Yes, I like vegetables.
Great. Have you eaten sushi before?
No, this is my first time.
No problem. Many people try sushi for the first time here.
That makes me feel better.
We have 2 main kinds of sushi.
2 kinds?
Yes, we have rolls and we have fish on rice.
What are sushi rolls?
Sushi rolls have rice, fish, and vegetables inside. They are rolled with seaweed.
That sounds good.
The other kind is fish on top of rice.
Is the fish raw?
Yes, the fish is raw but very fresh.
I'm not sure about that.
That's okay. I recommend a roll for beginners.
Which roll do you recommend?
The California roll is very popular. What is in it? It has rice, crab, avocado, and cucumber. That sounds safe. Yes, it's a good choice for first time.
Okay, I will order the California roll.
Excellent choice. Would you like to try something else too? Maybe later. No problem. Let me show you how to eat sushi.
Okay.
This green paste is wasabi. What is it?
It is very spicy. Use only a little.
Okay, I will be careful. This pink food is ginger. What do I do with it? You eat it between bites. Oh, I see. And this is soy sauce.
Do I dip the sushi in it?
Yes, but only a little.
Okay.
I will bring your food soon.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Enjoy your first sushi meal.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
Good afternoon. Table for 1.
Yes, please?
Would you like to sit near the window?
Yes, that would be nice.
Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Are you familiar with afternoon tea?
I tried it once before, but it is long ago.
No problem. I can explain it.
Thank you.
Afternoon tea comes on a 3-tier stand.
3 tiers?
Yes, 3 levels. On the bottom, we have sandwiches.
What kind of sandwiches?
We have cucumber, egg, ham, and smoked salmon.
That sounds very nice.
On the middle level, we have scones.
What is a scone?
A scone is a small bread. You eat it with cream and jam.
A scone is a small bread. You eat it with cream and jam.
A scone is a small bread. You eat it with cream and jam.
Oh, I like small cakes.
Many people do. Now you can choose your tea.
What kinds of tea do you have?
We have English breakfast, Earl Grey, and herbal tea.
I will have Earl Grey, please.
Very good choice. Would you like milk or lemon with your tea?
Milk, please.
Of course. I have a question.
Yes.
How do I eat the scone?
First, you cut it in half. Then you put cream and jam on it.
Cream first or jam first?
Some people like cream first. Some people like jam first.
Which is correct?
Both are fine. You eat it the way you like.
I like that idea.
Afternoon tea is for relaxing.
Yes, it feels special.
I will bring your tea and food now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your afternoon tea. This restaurant looks very nice.
Yes, it does. I'm happy you like it.
Thank you for bringing me here.
You're welcome. It's my favorite Italian restaurant.
How often do you come here?
I come here about once a month.
The place feels warm and friendly.
Yes, I like the atmosphere.
How long have you lived in this city?
I have lived here for 3 months now.
3 months? That's not very long.
No, it isn't. I come from Italy.
From Italy? That's exciting.
Yes, I come from Rome.
Do you like living here?
Yes, I like it very much. I study at the university.
What do you study?
I study art history.
That sounds very interesting.
Thank you. I love art and museums.
You must know a lot about Italian food.
Yes, my mother is a very good cook.
Then you can help me with the menu.
Of course, I'm happy to help.
There are many choices here.
Yes, Italian menus can be long. First, do you like pasta or pizza?
I like pasta very much.
Good. Do you like tomato sauce or cream sauce?
I think I like tomato sauce more.
Then I recommend spaghetti with tomato sauce.
What is in it?
It has tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and basil.
That sounds simple and good.
Yes, simple food is often the best.
I will order that.
Great choice.
What will you order?
I will have lasagna.
Do you eat lasagna often?
Yes, it reminds me of home.
Do you miss your family?
Sometimes, yes, but I am happy here.
Your English is very good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
I want to learn Italian one day. That's nice. I can teach you some words.
Really? That would be great.
We can help each other.
I like that idea.
Me too.
I'm glad we came here tonight.
Me too. Let's enjoy our dinner. I'm very glad you bring me to this place.
I'm happy you like it. This is my favorite Chinese restaurant.
The restaurant feels busy and lively.
Yes, many families eat here.
The menu is very long. I feel a little confused.
That's normal. I can help you choose.
Thank you. I don't know what to order.
First, do you like spicy food?
A little spicy is okay, but not too hot.
That's good. We can choose something mild.
What do you recommend?
I recommend chicken with vegetables.
What is in it?
It has chicken, peppers, onions, and peanuts.
Peanuts are okay for me.
Great. The dish is tasty but not too spicy.
That sounds good.
In Chinese restaurants, we often share food.
Share food?
Yes, we order many dishes and put them in the middle.
Everyone eats from the same plates?
Yes, we all take a little of each dish.
I like that idea.
Good. Let's order rice too.
Yes, I always like rice.
Do you want white rice or fried rice?
What is the difference?
White rice is plain. Fried rice has egg and vegetables.
Let's order fried rice.
Okay, that's a good choice.
What else should we order?
Do you like dumplings?
Yes, but I don't know how to eat them.
I can show you.
Thank you.
You pick up the dumpling with chopsticks. Then you dip it in sauce.
Just a little sauce?
Yes, not too much.
Okay.
Be careful. Some dumplings are hot inside.
Oh, really?
Yes, take a small bite first.
That is good advice.
One more thing.
What is it?
It is polite to serve others first.
I didn't know that.
That's okay. Now you know.
Thank you for teaching me.
You're welcome.
I feel excited to try the food.
Me too. Let's order now.
Hey, thanks for meeting me here. No problem. I'm happy to see you. How was your day? It was long and tiring. Same here. I really need food. Me too. This place looks good. Yes, it feels relaxed and friendly. I like places like this after work. Have you looked at the menu yet?
Yes, but I have a question.
Sure, ask me.
I want a burger, but the menu says, how do you want it cooked?
Oh, that question is about the meat.
I don't understand. It means how much the meat is cooked inside. Oh, I see.
You can choose rare, medium, or well done.
What does rare mean?
Rare means the meat is very pink inside.
And medium?
Medium means a little pink inside.
And well done?
Well done means no pink at all.
Okay. In my country, we cook meat all the way.
Then well done is best for you. Yes, I want my burger well done.
Good choice.
What about side dishes? You can choose one side.
What choices do they have?
Fries, onion rings, coleslaw, or salad.
What is coleslaw?
It is cabbage with sauce.
I'm not sure about that.
Then try onion rings.
What are onion rings?
They are fried onions, crispy and tasty.
That sounds good. I will take onion rings.
Great.
What are you drinking?
I'm getting a beer.
What kind of beer?
I like a light beer.
I don't drink much beer.
That's okay. You can get a soft drink.
Yes, I will get a soda.
Sounds good.
Thank you for helping me.
No problem at all.
I feel more confident now.
That's great. Let's order.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome.
Really? That's great.
I never eat fish and chips before.
Then you are in the right place.
Can you help me order?
Of course, I'm happy to help.
Thank you.
First, do you like fish?
Yes, I like fish very much.
Good. We have two kinds today.
2 kinds.
Yes, cod and haddock.
What is the difference?
Cod is a little thicker. Haddock is a little softer.
Which one do you recommend?
Cod is very popular.
Okay, I will try cod.
Good choice.
Is the fish fried?
Yes, we fry it in batter.
What is batter?
It is a mix of flour and water. It makes the fish crispy.
That sounds tasty.
It is very tasty.
And the chips?
Chips are thick fries.
Oh, not thin fries.
No, British chips are thick.
I see.
Would you like salt and vinegar?
Vinegar on fries.
Yes, it is very common here. Is it sour?
A little, but very good.
Okay, I will try it.
Great.
Do you have any side food?
Yes, we have mushy peas.
Mushy peas?
They are green peas. They are soft and warm.
That sounds interesting. I will try them too.
Nice choice.
Can I eat here?
Yes, of course. I want to eat here.
No problem. 1 cod and chips with mushy peas, salt and vinegar.
Yes, that's right.
Please wait a few minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm excited to try it.
I hope you enjoy your meal.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. Thank you.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I do not, but I have a voucher from the hotel manager.
Oh, I see. May I have a look at the voucher, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Yes, everything is fine. Mr. Tolmas told me about you.
That is good to hear.
Please follow me. I will show you to your table.
Thank you very much.
This table is by the window. Is this okay for you?
Yes, it is very nice. I like this place.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like to see the drinks menu?
Yes, please, but I do not drink alcohol.
No problem at all. We have water, soda, and fresh juice.
That sounds good. I would like sparkling water, please.
Certainly. Would you like lemon in your water?
Yes, please. Just a slice of lemon.
Very well. I will bring that right away.
Thank you. I am very hungry.
Here is your water. Are you ready to order food?
Almost. Could you tell me about the pasta dish?
Of course. It is fresh pasta with mushrooms and cream sauce.
Does it have cheese?
Yes, it has a small amount of cheese on top.
I see. And what is the special today?
The special is salmon with vegetables and herb sauce.
That sounds very good. Is the sauce heavy?
No, it is light and easy to eat.
That is perfect. I have one question.
Yes, please.
I am allergic to onions.
Thank you for telling me. I will inform the chef.
Can the salmon be made without onions?
Yes, of course. That is no problem.
Great. Then I would like the salmon, please.
Very good. 1 salmon, no onions. Your meal is free tonight.
Thank you very much. That is very kind.
You are welcome. I will bring your food soon.
Thank you. I am looking forward to it.
Good morning. Welcome to the breakfast area.
Good morning. Thank you.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well. The room was quiet.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to sit here or near the window?
Near the window, please. I like the morning light.
Of course. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Breakfast is included with your stay. We have a buffet and some hot dishes.
That sounds nice. What is included in the buffet?
We have bread, cheese, fruit, yogurt, and cereal.
I see. Do you also have eggs?
Yes, you can order eggs from the kitchen.
Great. What kinds of eggs do you offer?
We have boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, and omelets.
I would like an omelet, please.
Certainly. What would you like inside the omelet?
I would like cheese and tomatoes, please.
No problem. Do you want onions as well?
No, thank you. I do not eat onions.
Understood. Cheese and tomatoes only.
Thank you.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, please. I would like a cup of coffee.
Black coffee or with milk?
With milk, please, and no sugar.
Very well. Would you like some juice too?
Maybe later. I will start with coffee.
That's fine. Your omelet will take about 10 minutes.
That is okay. I can start with fruit.
The fruit is right over there. We have apples, bananas, and oranges.
Perfect. I will get some fruit now.
Please enjoy. I will bring your coffee to the table.
Thank you very much.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you. It smells good.
If you need anything else, please let me know.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
This is a nice way to start the day.
I'm happy to hear that. Enjoy your breakfast.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, please. I need some help.
Of course. What are you looking for?
I want to visit the city museum, but I am not sure how to get there.
I see. Are you walking or using public transport?
I am walking right now, but I can take a bus if it is too far.
That is a good question. The museum is a bit far to walk.
Oh, I see. Which bus should I take?
You can take the number 8 bus from this street.
The number 8 bus. Where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is just around the corner, next to the bakery.
Next to the bakery. That sounds easy to find.
Yes, the bus comes every 10 minutes.
That is good. How long does the bus ride take?
It takes about 15 minutes.
That is not too long. Do I need to buy a ticket before I get on the bus?
Yes, you can buy a ticket at the machine near the bus stop.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, the machine takes cards and cash.
Great. And where should I get off?
You should get off at the 3rd stop.
The 3rd stop. Is it easy to see the museum from there?
Yes, when you get off, you'll see a large building with a glass entrance.
That sounds clear. Thank you.
You are welcome. Are you visiting the museum for the first time?
Yes, it is my first time in this city.
Welcome. The museum is very nice and not too crowded in the morning.
That is good to know. I like quiet places.
Me too. Do you need help with anything else?
Yes, one more thing. Is there a cafe near the museum?
Yes, there is a small cafe across the street from the entrance.
Perfect. I would like to have a coffee after my visit.
That sounds like a good plan.
Thank you very much for your help.
It is no problem at all. Enjoy your visit.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.